Today we're going to be drawing
Derpy
from K-pop Demon Hunters. See you in there. Okay guys, we're going to start off with Derpy's eyes. So we're going to start with the paper landscape rather than portrait, and we're just going to do his head. Big kind of circular eyes. So we're going to start. And we're going to complete the circle just like that. And then we're going to do his eyebrow, which curls around just like this. And then we're going to draw his big oval eyes. His pupil just like that. Then once we've done the first eye, we're going to do his little eyebrowy patterns just above his head that go in his fur. Just going up to where his ear goes, is lovely. Then we're going to do the same and do the eye on the other side. So we want to leave a little gap so the nose can go in the middle, and then we're going to try and do the same size eye. So it's going to go up, and then of course curved a bit for where the eyebrow is going to be, and then we want it to go back round.
I already got ahead
and up. You're really fast. And then after that we're going to...
Can you pause for a second?
Okay, and I'm going to do the other pupil like that, and then we're going to draw his eyebrow going up and round. Just like that, and curving. There you go. And then we need to draw his little nose. So I'm going to do like a kind of like a love heart shaped nose.
Same.
Just like that, love heart shaped nose. Don't worry, I'll fit the ears in a minute. And then we need to do the other part of his pattern of his rainbowy kind of arc shapes just above his eyes on the other side. Oops. There you go.
I'm a bit ahead of you.
Well done. And then a little one right at the top.
Can you guess through the head?
Just like that. And then he's got these little circles, doesn't he, which go up his head, kind of in line with those. And then, after that, I think I'm going to go for his mouth and give him a cute little mouth. So we're going to... Oh, that's really lovely. I love yours. That's super
like
cute.
yours too.
Thank you. And then
we're
going to do like a little cat curl, and then...
Do sharp teeth.
Yep, give him some sharp teeth.
Very nice sharp teeth.
Yep.
Oh, that looks so cute, Dada.
I'm glad you like it. And then a little tongue as well. Sticking out just like that.
I done mine a little
Very
bit
cute. Right, okay. And now we're going to do the head. And I think I'm going to start just underneath his chin down here.
I'm going to start
I'm going to start underneath his eye. So I'm going to curl it round just like that. It's curved under a little bit. And then give him a bit of face fluff. Just like this. A bit more fluff. And then I think I'm going to go for probably doing his ears next. So I can curve that round, curl that around like that, and then I'm going to give it the inside bit of the ear there. There you go. And then we're going to join up in the middle there. Then give it a little tuft, and then the ear's going to come out on the other side. I think he might have a bit of a wide face, but to be fair, he is called Derpy, and he always looks quite funny, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So we need to do some bits of fluff just there to join out. Oh, you're well ahead of me, you've already done it.
I need to draw the other ear. Mine looks a bit derpy.
There you go.
Mine looks actually like that.
And then I think
Yours
I'm just
looks
going to...
good, Dada.
Thank you. Yours does too, super cute.
Mine looks like a granddad derpy.
I'm just going to do the last bit around his eye where it goes up and around here, like this.
I'll do that.
And then on this side as well.
What we're going to do next is colour it in.
He's got mostly a blue face, so I think I'm going to start with his eyebrows because they're a bit darker blue normally, aren't they?
I'm starting with the
So
nose.
I'm going to go with dark blue.
I'm doing the nose.
You're doing the nose first, so I'm going to do dark blue for his eyebrows.
This looks like a grandpa. This looks so funny.
Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Whose do you prefer, Elizabeth's or mine? What do you want to see us draw next? Leave a comment down below. See you next time. Bye.